Hello, and welcome back to the Science Central Scoop. Today we'll be talking about why you might see different animals every time you visit Science Central. But first, let's take a look into a day in the life of Gary, our Outreach Program Manager.
Hello, my name is Gary, and I'm the Outreach Programs Manager for Science Central. I like to joke that when I show up for work, they give me a set of keys, a science kit, and then kick me out of the building to go teach science. It's time to load up our outreach vehicle. The camera person asked if they could help with loading, but I told them they could just film. I do this a lot, so I have a system for my loading. Once the van is loaded, we are on the road. I like to arrive at our programs early, so there is plenty of time to set up. Going to a lot of different places for outreach, you get a good job of maneuvering the cart through small hallways. Once in the classroom, it is time to set up our demonstration. Today, we are in a kindergarten classroom, so there are a lot of curious students eager to learn and excited to know what I'm doing. One of the coolest parts of the demos is being able to pull students up for hands-on learning. It is so cool watching their excited faces as they learn all about temperature, tornadoes, wind, and more. Once the demonstration is over, it's time to head to the next classroom. It's so awesome to see students' faces light up as they learn about how everyday things like weather all revolve around science, including giving them a slight jump scare. Once I'm done with all the demos for the day, it's time to pack up and head back to Science Central.
You may have heard recently, but we're bringing the bike back to Science Central, and we're so excited.
The new bike will return to the same area where many of you remember riding the original, but there will be one exciting difference. This reimagined version will take riders out on a wire, creating an entirely new experience while bringing back something our community loved for years. Our Ride the Wire campaign has a goal of raising $150,000. Half will help us bring back the bike. The other half will support operations and improvements throughout Science Central. As a nonprofit organization, we depend on donations and community support to make lasting changes like this possible.
We hope you're excited to bring back the bike. Please visit our website to learn more about the Ride the Wire campaign and to contribute. We're so excited to make more memories with you. We really appreciate your support of our campaign and all of your generosity. Did you know that we work with Fort Wayne Animal Care? That's something else really cool about Science Central. Fort Wayne Animal Care and Control cares for many animals in need of homes. To help, we give some of them a temporary place to stay in our nature nook. We welcomed our first adoptable animal this past May, and since then, nearly 10 animals have found their forever homes. Even better, each one spent less than 2 weeks at Science Central before meeting its new family. Thanks so much for watching this edition of the Science Central Scoop. We hope you enjoyed, and we hope you'll share with your friends. We will see you again next week when we get the scoop.